Hi everyone. I just wanted everybody to see this new article that has come out, that people are starting to notice that Obama has set up a giant shadow government to try to fight Donald Trump with, and to actually try to mess with everything that's going on in the USA. In what's shaping up to be a highly unusual post-presidency, Obama isn't just staying behind in Washington, he's working behind the scenes to set up what will effectively be a shadow government to not only protect his threatened legacy, but to sabotage the incoming administration and its popular America First agenda. Just as we had shown, Obama, as a Trojan horse, has spread all of these Islamic refugees around the world. Soldiers. Most of them are not women and children. They are young men. When you look at the refugees that are leaving these places and entering into the countries, they are mostly young men of fighting age that he has spread around the world. Just as he has set up a large social media campaign with the BLM in his different shadow governments and in his different shadow organizations with a gentleman named George Soros, this one billionaire that has been trying to destroy America for a long time. So you can see here the deceiver is still hard at work. I will leave this link here, and that also even Hillary Clinton is all part of this also, with their giant multi-billion-dollar organizations furthering their agenda. But you can see all of this is that most of these problems that are going on are still being caused by Obama and his shadow government that he set up during his time in the presidency. Just as right here, you can see that Obama has set up for Russia to rise and for Germany to rise. All of this happened during his presidency. And for this beast to rise up, the Revelation 13 beast out of the sea. He's also planning to try to break the market. See this right here? See how the market's going? And he wants to bring panic. He's been working also with the Pope and all these different organizations, setting up this whole beast system that is actually in the Bible. And now Donald Trump comes with Judgment Day, and to shut the door of grace and mercy. So you can see that it's all right in front of us, going just as we have been showing. It's talking of a shadow government and organization that he has set up. He is a deceiver. He wants to always look good, but behind him death will always follow. The man of perdition in the Bible is seen as a man of peace, but he brings destruction everywhere. Thank you very much, everybody. I'll see you at the wedding feast of the Lamb. Confess with your mouth the Lord is Jesus. Believe in your heart God hath risen him from the dead, and you'll be saved. Hallelujah. God have mercy on us all.